I'm here in the middle of Tokyo, right next to Tokyo Tower, but I want to show you what else you can see here. I visited twice in the last month, also almost the same time of day, and there were significantly less people here. I really should have come earlier to take this video. Last time I unfortunately forgot the camera. Yeah, you've seen this park is right next to Tokyo Tower. It's often overlooked, but it's extremely beautiful. All the trees that don't have leaves at the moment are Japanese maple trees. This one here already gets its leaves back. So it's very nice with the new leaves out because they have a special green, but also the summer green is very nice. And in autumn, of course, the autumn colors. So if you ever come by Tokyo Tower, have a look, please. I will now escape to an area with less people. I have to admit, I got surprised in a not positive way today. yeah, thank you for watching this very short video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!